a free compost we're doing every summer on August. So this is the company. Yeah, the public service. We're doing it twice a year. It's by appointment only. 40 gallons per family. So you wanna avail those. So I'll give you the link below. Then you can make an appointment to have a free compost. Yeah. This is my appointment. This is the lady that we have the compost. Her name is Monty. These are all the 40 gallons per family. Free compost twice a year. Alright? So ito po ang kanilang contact number. Yeah, nandito kami ngayon sa Benicia, Saturday, with the kids. Yan, eating lunch for adobo. Yan o, si Buling. So we're here in Benicia Park. Ayun, yan o. Dito kami sa Benicia Park.
My name is Milan.
Yan, ayan, umigan daw. Dito kami. Andun yung compost, free compost twice a year. So, dito yung mga apo ko. Okay, after eating time, then playing time. Ayan. Okay. Ito ang aking lunch. Ayan. May daing dyan, daing. Dito na sila sa park ng Benicia. They're here playing the park. Ayun, ito ko yun. Playing the park. Biling-biling, doon siya. Namin sila dito na. Playing at the park. Yeah, next time dito masarap mag nice to have a table and a tent dyan sa ilalim ng puno na yan. So nice, tapos yan ang overlooking. Alright, ayan, masarap. Mayroon ding barbecue na ata rito. Ito yung barbecue na dito, wala ata, wala. Anyways, this is a nice place to stay. Tent and a barbecue place. Ayan.
Okay. What color? That's a lot too.
Kaya pa, tapos na silang maglakwat ka.
Say, want to chocolate?
So, gusto nila ng ice cream on a cone.
Okay, come on, don't turn on the light.
So, ice cream na kami.
Okay. Look. Ay, magmuyano to kasi umiyak eh. Mom. Yes. Got the random.
Sana tayo ba lang? So, tayo sa ice cream.
Milan.
Nag-ice cream na tayo, ice cream. Okay, mag-ado ice cream. Sinusulod niya yung ice cream mo. Ay, ibig mag-share ko.
Okay. Kasi yan kasi parang ano yan, parang blazer, right, Milan? Just like a blazer, right? Pila lang kami sa.
Double scoop siya. Ito single scoop. Kaya mag-share. So tapon yan, maniwala kayo.
You wanna bite yung ano?
Yeah, pipiliin niyan tapusin. Oh.
Yeah. No, thank you.
See? Pipiliin tapusin. Oh.
Hey!
Ano ginagawa mo?
What's your favorite? What is that, Milan?
Chocolate double.
Chocolate. With cookies.
Okay.
Chocolate chip.
Yeah, we're here at Tempo Cafe. We're here at Tempo Cafe. Ano, sana? Be careful to your ice cream. Mauubos mo ba yan? Ano?
Yes.
Sige, ubusin mo yan ha. Ayan. Dito kami sa Benicia. We're lucky we have a parking here. No? Then, dito kami sa Benicia. Mayroon palang festival dito. there's a lot of food truck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, dito kami ng Indonesia. Okay, what's... Yun na.